Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 10.CP.4 where we're going to have a modal variation. So this is where we left off. So I'm going to go back to 7.8 since we want to start with same metric functions. I'm going to copy in my initial theme because that's what we're varying. So thinking about modes, the issue, well, not an issue, but the consideration here is that tempo first. There's a modal relationship that's happening right now of major to relative minor. So like down a third. I love Dorian, but Locrian down a third is not a great mode. Lydian down to Dorian could be interesting. Let's try that. So same key sig, but we're gonna go so let's carefully think about what's going on here. This would be our 5 in Lydian. So we're coming from a 5 of 5 in Lydian. Yep, that chromatic passing tone still makes sense. And the characteristic tone of Lydian would be your sharp 4, or here, that B natural, which we do make use of pretty immediately. Now we're in E flat Dorian. 5 to Dorian makes sense. 5, 6 of 1. Okay, and we need to sequence from E flat up to F up to G flat. So we want a C7 here. And then a D flat 7 going to G flat, that makes sense. And then there's going to be another C natural, because there's no. Could I put a quarter sharp there in the part? D, yeah, I could. It won't play back. Or is there a plugin? I think there's a plugin. Play back my quarter tones, why don't you? Okay. Get rid of that. Ooh, it didn't cancel it properly. Okay, like a bigger passage. Okay, it's an extra MIDI command in there, so that's a good sign. I kind of dig that, not gonna lie. Okay, so we'll keep that in. Okay, so now I just gotta add in my repeats. That was a pretty straightforward one. That's one of the nice things about copy paste in Sibelius. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Yep. Okay, so let's take a listen. All right. So, a mercifully brief video. That was a pretty straightforward one. I'll see you next time for our final variation.